here we come to one of the elevators again at the Life Center at Christ Fellowship in Palm Beach Gardens, Florida. And as you all remember, this is a Schindler elevator. Here we go. 2. The push button doesn't work. Let's do round trips in this one. Uh-oh! The lights just blinked. We got a flickering light in here. I think this elevator's about to break or something. 1. I like how the button's quick. This elevator's running loose. We have up, moving panel, epic fail. Close it up. Alright, let's do a cab view. As we all remember, this is a basic Schindler elevator. Here are the fixtures, HT. This panel is very clicky, as you all know. Here we are at 1, 2,
that's it. Come on.
Alright, let's get off here.
Let's go.
I already rang the
We'll
bell.
do it in the front. Watch the trunk.
And the door closes.
Ooh.